How do you like this one? Say nice. So. Okay. Mission success. Today I'm going to cook Bulgogi. The K-Celeb Yuong recommends a very simple recipe and I'm going to try it today. Let me tell you what do we need. First of all, we need a soy sauce, and we need the sugar, and we need the rice syrup and pear juice, and it makes our sauce delicious. So how much we need to put soy sauce? 25. Okay. Then we need to put 3. When you make sauce, you always put dry seasoning first. 1.5. 1.5. Then rice syrup. Okay. When you're using 600 gram, you can put all of this, but now we only use 300 grams of meat, so we're going to do 150, maybe 114. Okay, you can take my piece, otherwise the sugar will sink down. What else we need to put? Vinegar. And after boil this a little bit, just a little bit of salt. What else do we need? Oil, half a spoon. Okay, now I think the sauce is ready. Okay. Now sauce is ready, and we're going to put our meat in here. 300 grams. So I washed my hands, so it's clean. And you have to put the ginger. And this is the garlic, and actually I put some ginger. And this was ginger. That was my mistake. This is a ginger. While I'm mixing with my hand, as the Korean says, there is a taste of hands. There is a certainly, it tastes much better. Okay, you can leave it like that a little bit. Yeah, cooking right. Okay, you can put a little bit of oil. While I'm waiting, I need to heat. What do you think? My first bulgogi. What do you think, honey?
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all? Okay, thank you very much. Next time, I will make it better food. This is the first time I cook bulgogi for myself. Mission success!